Hi guys, want to give you a quick 360 look and review of the Nordic Ware Cakelet Pan Baby Bunny. As you can see here, spring and summer collection from the Nordic Ware brand. Great quality product made in the USA. So let's go ahead, flip this over, give you guys a quick look of the product. As you can see here, this is the bronze color, amazing looking colors. Little bunny cakelets you can make here. Great quality product nonetheless. So if you're looking to purchase this or any of the Nordic Ware brands, please visit the link in the description below. As you can see, great quality product. Love the color scheme on this. You can make what? About you're looking at about 6 small cakelets. Kind of a unique design kind of product for those who are looking. Great quality for those who cook or bake, especially if you want to gift this out to someone for a birthday or anything like that. Great quality product. So there you have it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick 360 look, made in the USA. Close up of the product here. This is the 4.5 cups, 1.06 liters. Made in America, family-owned brand. You can also visit their website online for purchases for recipes. So if you're looking to purchase this or any other products, please visit the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.